Joanne coming to you today with a Bramble Fox layout. I am going to be using the January 23 Fox box. And look how cute this is. It says warming, this beautiful color with 2 cups of cocoa. Look at the whipped cream detail. Isn't that beautiful? All right, I'm not sure where I'm going to put that just yet, but I'm using this photo of myself and my best friend from Thanksgiving, Hip Kit Club, October 22 collection. And I think we're just going to start putting some stuff down and seeing what we can come up with. I had this chipboard frame. I thought that matched pretty. Maybe I'll just tuck it under here. Not sure. That could change. You never know. And I found this piece of ephemera. Isn't this flower beautiful? I'm going to put it right here in the corner of the picture. And I was believing that I want to put my title there. So I want the ephemera piece to bridge the gap between the photo and the perspective, so there's no odd empty space there. So that looks good. Let me go ahead and put that down. All right, that looks pretty. And then I think I will go ahead and put my title there because I really like it. So I had already taken the protective coating off this, and I'm just going to use my Scotch tacky glue and my fine line bottle to adhere this down. And hopefully I'll get this straight. I want it to be touching the chipboard frame over here. Okay. That's good. This will require some foam squares under here after I figure out everything that we're doing. But since it was fall, I definitely want to get these little things in there. Isn't that so cute? I love it. Okay, so this is how you take the protective coating off. You just use your fingernail or a little tool and it comes right off. Keeps it from getting scratched. I want to put this down right here next to this. Adorable. Oh my goodness. These are clear stickers and I feel like I'm going to mess these up when I use them, but hopefully not. So let's get some tweezers. That would probably be best, just to make sure that we get this straight. Get my T-square ruler here. See where I want to put this first. Right about there. Oh my goodness, I hope I got that straight because it's not coming back up. All right, these are clear stickers and they're so gorgeous. I hope I can get this in there because it has that nice purple that matches the perspective. Let's see if I can just tuck it in here and expand this a little bit more. That looks cute. I'm wondering if I can get these gold in there. Probably not that one. Put that back down. Let me see what else we can get in here. I think I'm just going to go ahead and lay that down. I really love these Bramble Fox leaves, though. I kind of want to put one right on top of that. Another one here. Oh, that looks really cute. So we're going to have to put this up on a foam square. I already had put some glue on it, but we're going to raise it up so we can get those pretty leaves in there. If I can get it off. All right. There. No harm done. Then we can slide those in there. That looks adorable. Just put some glue right in the back of these wood veneer leaf pieces. Like so. And over here. Then I'm definitely going to need a foam square underneath the first layer of ephemera that we had going on there, because I have everything up on so much foam. There, now that's all supported. I think one more would be good too. Let's go ahead and do that. Right underneath this. Oh, perfect. That's given that great stability now. we're all set with that. Isn't that cute? I love those little leaves. Get a whole package of those little leaves. Then maybe we could put that leaf over there instead. What kind of flower do we have? Oh, look how beautiful that is. Okay, but I'm going to want to cut this because I'm not going to be able to use the entire thing. And I want it to go flush up against the frame. Then I can use that on something else. Because I don't want it to show through the frame area. Okay, let me show you these. Aren't those wonderful? They are fabric leaves. And they're in the shop. I'll link them below. Look at the detail in those. It's so gorgeous. I'm going to use a couple of those. This is a chipboard leaf. I have a foam square behind it. And my glue has dried up. So let me go ahead. If that happens, you just insert the top back in and then it starts coming back out again. Put a little leaf right here in this corner as a little base to start forming a cluster. And I was thinking about putting the other super cute hot cocoa here. Maybe putting a leaf about right there. Let's put some glue on that and get that stuck down. Okay, and then let's, oops, I almost forgot to take the backing off my perspective. Now, if you do forget to do that, it is going to come up in the future. So you just have to go in and take it off and re-glue it, okay? Put the other cup of cocoa here. And I'm just going to use two of these beautiful fabric leaves from Bramble Fox. I thought it matched really well with that perspective. Also in the shop are packages of apples, and you also get pears. So I thought that this would look really cute just peeking out from here. I'll just lift this up a little bit and sneak that right in there, corner of this. I think it's adorable. I love fall stuff, fall everything. There's still plenty of these left in the shop too if you want to grab some, if you happen to have not scrapped your fall photos yet. I know I haven't scrapped it. This is the first one that I have scrapped. I have to make a whole album. Then I was thinking I could put these gorgeous fabric leaves right in here underneath like this. That would be cute. Let's get some glue on these gorgeous little babies. Tuck it in underneath that one, and then put some on here, and then tuck that under this one just to make the cluster a little bit bigger. Wonderful. And that gives us nice room for a sentiment strip or something there. There was a couple things here I was trying, but I didn't know if I wanted to use. This is cute. It says, "You're the pumpkin spice to my latte," which would go perfect with the cocoa perspective. And that's cute saying for your best friend. So let's put some glue on that. Get that right in there. Make sure I get that on there straight though. All right, I found this grateful heart sentiment on the chipboards. I'm going to put this here. Then I think we need to do gems or enamel dots or something along those lines. I glued a strip of torn paper down here, 2 of them, just because I thought it needed something. And then remember when we cut this in half, then I'm going to put the other half right down here. And you saw me put the gold Pink Fresh little pearls on there and a whole bunch of gold splatters, which I love. I do like to put gold splatters right on my perspectives, but when you do that, you're going to have to remember that you have to give it a lot of drying time, okay? So I thought I'd make a little something down here, and then we will be all done. Little piece of a tag that I cut off. Let me get my glue bottle here and finish this. Stick this little piece in here, make it look like there's a tag coming out from the bottom here. I'm not worried about the hole in it because I found a really pretty purple button that I thought matched, and I just put a little piece of twine in it. So we're going to go ahead and put the button right on there. Got a little twiddle of thread coming out, and I'm just going to let that free flow wherever it wants to go because it'll look good. And then just kind of glue it down a little bit so it doesn't get snagged on something. And then this is where I was like, oh, I can get one of my little pears in here from the apple and pear bundle. Again, I will link everything below. So I'm going to put my little pear here, and here's another one of the little leaves from the wood veneer leaf packets. Put some glue on that. Put that coming out like that. Just think it makes it look good. And then I realized that this has a thing, sentiment wood chipboard phrase. It says, "Friends like you are rare." How perfect is that? And I'm just gonna put this right here, I think. Let me see how that looks. Should probably put 3 little gems down here just to tie these all together. So let's get 3 out and some good sizes here that we need. There's one right here, one, that size looks good, and a little teeny one here. Let's flip that over. Then that ties those things in there together. All right, I like that. That came out really cute. Let me give you some close-ups. I'll put close-up photos at the end. And again, I will link all of these amazing Bramble Fox products in the description box below for you to be able to click on and go right to the product, okay? My cat is screaming in the background. I love that. That looks cute. All right, guys, thank you so much. Bramble Fox website and the Facebook group is listed below. Thank you so much for stopping by to see me. Bye.